Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. In our last video, we enjoyed the chapter means of transport. Okay, now in that video or the chapter that we have gone through, we have read about the land transport and we have enjoyed this beautiful activity matching the vehicle with their wheels. I have told you many things about the land transport, like in the cities and towns, cars, buses and scooters and motorcycles used to run on the road. In the villages, bicycle and tangas are very commonly used, and trains are the fastest means of transport. In Delhi and Bangalore, we have the train for local transport. They use many of this kind of big cities. We have the metro facility. Okay, and now we have come to the part that is water transport. After learning many things about land transport, we will learn about water transport. Yes, ships, steamers and boats are the means of water transport. See how beautiful the ship is there. I'll be sending you the helping video also so that you all can enjoy the transport, all the three kinds of transport: water transport, land transport and air transport. We can travel from one country to another by a ship. We travel by boat or steamer in a river. Yes, for a very short distance in the river, if we want to enjoy, or many of the small lakes like in Mussoorie, in Nainital, we have beautiful lakes. So we need a boat to go through with the beauty of nature. Okay, then ship, again I am just repeating my lines. Ship, steamers and boats are the means of water transport. Yes, you cannot take your car or your scooter inside the water. So if we want to travel on water, so the transport that we can use is ships, steamers and boats. Okay, children, we can travel from one country to another by this ship, by this water transport. We travel by boat or steamer in a river. Now here comes the very interesting part of the transport, that is air transport. Yes, my children love to fly. Many of you have experience also flying inside the aeroplanes. Now it is commonly used. We can from state to state and far away from the countries also, it is commonly used nowadays. Now air transport has made it possible for us to fly in the air. So एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट की मदद से या इस ट्रांसपोर्ट से हमारे लिए पॉसिबल हो गया है कि हम हवा में भी उड़ सकते हैं. और कौन से दो ऐसे ट्रांसपोर्ट हैं जो कि यूज़ होते हैं? एरोप्लेन्स एंड हेलीकॉप्टर्स आर मेन मीन्स ऑफ air transport. So these are the two main means of air transport, the helicopter and the aeroplane. Okay, children, then they help us to reach far off places in a short time. Yes, very short time. You can within hours you can just go through long distance from one country to another country, or one states within hours, 1 or 2 or 3 hours from one state to the other state you can reach with the help of the air transport, that is aeroplane and helicopter. Yes, let's see the pic of the helicopter and the aeroplanes. So this is beside these. Okay, camels are used for transporting people and goods in desert area. Okay, children, see camel, we are knowing very well that camel are the ship of the desert, like ship used for water transport. So there are sandy place also in India. Sands are also there all around. So in the sand, the transport that we can use is the camel or the camel cart. Beside these, camels are used ट्रांसपोर्टिंग पीपल. ऊँट के ऊपर लोग बैठ जाते हैं, या बहुत से जो लोग ऊँट रखते हैं वो अपने सामानों को उस पर लाद देते हैं, उस पर इकट्ठा बांध देते हैं और एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आराम से डेजर्ट एरिया में, जो बालू का एरिया होता है, उस पर ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं. नो अदर व्हीकल कैन मूव लाइक द कैमल. ओके, सो कैमल इज़ द बेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू मूव in the desert areas. And now I am going to tell my children something very knowledgeable. Yes, do you know, the column is all about do you know. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane in 1903. So who invented the aeroplanes? The Wright brothers. Okay, and in what year? 1903. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Okay, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. The camel is called the ship of the desert. So in all the three types of transport, land transport, water transport, and in air transport, the aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, children. And in land transport, remember, land transport, train is the fastest means of land transport. And in all the types of transport, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Okay, remember. So again I am repeating these three lines, children. You have to learn this, that the Wright brothers invented the aeroplane in 1903. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. The camel is called the ship of the desert. And as you all know, beside these, camels are used for transporting people and goods in the desert area. And come to the next page. Okay, we have read about camel. Now in the next page, mules and ponies are used in hilly area. So we have in the last page we have read about the desert area कि बालू अगर हैं, सैंडी प्लेस है, तो वहाँ पर कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट काम आता है. तो हमें पता चला, we come to know that the camel are used to carry people as well as goods. And in hilly areas, अगर पहाड़ी इलाका है, माउंटेन का एरिया है, तो हम कौन से एनिमल को यूज़ करेंगे एज अ ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो म्यूल्स, ओके, एंड ponies. Okay, they are quite short form of horses. They are kind of horses. Mules and ponies are used in hilly areas. If we see the picture of mule and see the picture of, okay, spaceship has been given. Okay, one more picture, later on we'll discuss about it. First read the lines. So again I am repeating, mules and ponies are used in hilly areas. Now the line is all about, you all are very much interested in space and universe. Hope you all have watched the movie. Okay, I think it has been Mangal. Okay, Mangal, the movie, the name of the movie is Mangal. Okay, in that it has been you all must have seen the rockets and the space and many more things. So children, if we want to reach the moon, okay, अगर हम चांद तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, चांद तक जाना चाहते हैं, तो हमें और भी बहुत तेज़ एरोप्लेन से भी कोई तेज़ ट्रांसपोर्ट चीज़ चाहिए होती है, जो कि जिससे हम स्पेसशिप लाइक हम ट्रैवल कर सकें स्पेस में. और उसके लिए हमें एक स्पेसशिप की ज़रूरत होती है, driven by a rocket. So if we want to reach, okay, again I am repeating the lines, if we want to reach the moon, okay children, if we want to reach the moon, we can travel in a spaceship. It is driven by a rocket. See the spaceship, see the photo of the spaceship, and it is driven, कौन चलाता है? By a rocket. So it's very interesting. I know my children are very much interested in space and universe. So this is the spaceship. You want to become an astronaut? उसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ता है बहुत मेहनत से. You also can do this hard work, and if you are interested to go to see the moon, the stars, the universe, so you all also can travel in your own spaceship. Then you can reach the वर्ल्ड दैट इज़ फुल ऑफ मिस्ट्री. सब कुछ छुपा हुआ है, बहुत से राज, बहुत सी चीज़ें छुपी हुई हैं जिसे हमें पता लगाना है. ओके, सो यू ऑल, आई विश that my few children, those who are interested in becoming astronaut, वो अपनी rocket में ज़रूर बैठे और space तक पहुँचे. Okay, and here is the picture again. Do you know a hovercraft? Okay children, see the photo of an hovercraft. This is also a kind of transport, can travel both over land and over water. ये एक ऐसा hovercraft है, ये हर पानी पे भी चल सकता है और ज़मीन पे भी चल सकता है. This is known as hovercraft. Now let me repeat the points that we have learned in this chapter. 3 types of transport are land, water and air. 3 तरह के transport हैं, that is land, water and air. Train, buses, cars and scooters are means of land transport. Ships and boats are means of वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. शिप और बोट जो होती हैं वो किस तरह की मीन्स ऑफ वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. एरोप्लेन एंड हेलीकॉप्टर आर मीन्स ऑफ एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. देन in desert and mountains, animals help us to move and carry loads. Okay children, 3 types of transport: land, water and air. Train, buses, cars and scooters are means of land transport. Then ships and boats are means of water transport, and aeroplane and helicopters are means of air transport. And in the desert and mountains, animals help us to move and carry the loads. Animals are very helpful. They are also the mode of transports. Few of them are mules and camel. Okay, so children, this is all in this chapter. Enjoy this chapter. I am not sending any of the work, only the book work I will send you in the next video. Okay, till then be happy and be safe. Okay children, enjoy yourself.